Okay, thank you.
without the cooking, wala rin yun, ano? So, let's give a warm applause to the wife, not the husband, to Mrs. Balatayo.
Hey! Yeah!
And then, yung laing na kinain nyo, galing yan kay Mr. and Mrs. Bautista.
Woo! Woo! Oh, you see, escort, John. Escort! Escort! Yeah, escort!
Bautista.
Oh! Woo!
Hanggang may maraman, makasya siya. And then, tawag nito, the DI and the lovely songstress. By the way, don't make a mistake like I did. The songstress is married to the vocalist. So, that was donated by none other than Sol Ponyo.
Oh! Sol! Sol! Escort! Overexposed ka na, pre. Oh, thank you.
Then, tomorrow, the lechon and the other items that we need for the lunch and the lang sign was donated by Freddy de Guzman.